So for our project, we decided to test the myth where watermelons are actually the toughest fruits other than coconuts. This myth comes from social media trends where people would put rubber bands around watermelons until they exploded, claiming that they were the strongest fruit. We tested the strength of the fruits in two ways. One, by putting rubber bands around varying different fruits, and then also by dropping these fruits from different set heights to see which ones would last from the highest up. We did decide to agree with the myth and say that the watermelon would most likely be the strongest and would take about 300 rubber bands to break, or to be dropped from 6 feet to break. The possible controls that we had were that the rubber bands we used on all of the fruits were the same, and then also the heights that we dropped each of the fruits from were the same. The possible errors could have been in the counting of the rubber bands or in the slight variations of the height. Maybe by like within an inch or something there could have been an error. So it took 80 rubber bands to break the orange, 230 rubber bands to break the apple, 295 for the pear, 180 for the mango, and 235 for the watermelon. During the second experiment, when we were dropping the fruit, the watermelon broke from 5 feet, the honeydew broke from 5 feet, the cantaloupe from 9 feet, and the pineapple from 7 feet. Based off of the number of rubber bands it took to break each fruit, the watermelon was 293.75% stronger than the orange, 102.17% stronger than the apple. It was 79.66% as strong as the pear, so not as strong as the pear, and 130.56% stronger than the mango. The pear was the strongest fruit of this experiment, with 20.34% higher than the watermelon. During the experiment where we dropped the fruit, based off the heights that the fruit broke from, the honeydew was the same strength as the watermelon. The cantaloupe was 55.55% stronger than the watermelon, and the pineapple was 71.43% stronger than the watermelon. Therefore, the cantaloupe and the pineapple were both stronger than the watermelon, and the watermelon is not the strongest fruit.